Oh, hello, hello. I'm Mandy, and we are opening up the Supreme 2022 Valentines box from Jeffree Star. So on top, of course, I've already opened this, guys, because I'm somewhat like a small child, and when a package comes to my house, I open it up because any excuse to have joy, right? So this is my Jeffree Star t-shirt. I was hoping for a sweatshirt. I kind of get why he wasn't able to do that with this one because there were so many cool exclusives, and that probably made the cost go up for the box. But I do like this shirt better than a lot of the other ones I have. But I got an extra large hoping it was going to be a sweatshirt, and I'm going to be swimming in the extra large t-shirt. So, IDK. I did get something that I'm super excited about. I don't have the Nudes Bundle, and this is the original Nudes Bundle with Skin Tight Mannequin, which I currently do not have a liquid lip of. I'm super excited because that's my favorite nude. I have a couple of his pencils in Mannequin. I love them. Got Celebrity Skin, Posh Spice, Rose Madder. I'm super excited about this one. I think that color is just so pretty. We've got Gemini, Leo, and Androgyny. And it's very exciting to have this bundle. And, you know, let's hope it's not dry. You know? So what should we do next? Of course, we got the Orgy Porgy. You know, it's just, I had wished that there were variations because I was hoping to get Pink Religion. People really loved that one. It's so Valentine's, and I was hoping that we would get that so that I could do a giveaway at some point in the future. You guys know I'm behind on my giveaways. I still haven't gotten a few of the giveaways out from Christmas because I just took on too much and didn't account for how hard that was going to be on me. I'm also sick. That's why I sound ridiculous, and this is not, you know, me on camera. Just my voice. So I don't know what I'm going to do with this orgy, by the way. I'm sure that I'll either find somebody to give it to, or do a giveaway in the future with something, or maybe the girl, I'll reach out to the girl whose items got destroyed in the post and see if she would want that one in replacement until I can get a better replacement. This is the highlight palette, and I couldn't resist, and I opened it up. She is gorgeous. Beautiful, beautiful. And I do think that with this palette and the orgy, you can make really pretty looks. I have the mini orgy, and I don't like it. I don't like the formula in it at all. But I would use this Heartbreaker with it for sure. I love both of the packaging things for it. I love the box, and I love the carton. It's gorgeous. It's nice. It's got a mirror in it. It's beautiful. Oh, there I was flashing my ugly mug. I've been in bed for several days. I feel like crap. So beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. We have Single Forever. We have Murderous Fun and Frosty Heart. And I think that these are going to be so beautiful as highlights and as eyeshadows. I think especially that Frosty Heart is going to be just so gorgeous as an eyeshadow. Of course, we can see the Heartbreaker mirror. My daughter was like, you should totally keep it in there for a while. I was like, I think I'm gonna. It's so, so pretty. So, so nice. Absolutely love it. Here is the light. I saw a lot of people kind of skipping over this in their unboxings, and I think that it's worth taking a look at. So, I'm really surprised that I can do this all one-handed. So for my phone, it blocks the camera in the back if I were to just leave it on the phone. But if I am just using it for the front camera anyway, I can put it on just when I'm doing selfies, and it's going to be amazeballs. So this is the, see all that light? Look at that. That's crazy. And there's 3 different settings. I like the middle setting the best. The white light is so, so pretty. Comes with a little charging thing, and it's so easy to just clip on the phone. I really think that instead of being an exclusive, he should have sold these, because I feel like that's a super cute accessory that a lot of people would buy. Maybe people who aren't even like lovers of makeup would buy that, because it's absolutely adorable. So I've got 5% battery remaining, so I've got to hurry. So this is Mannequin in the lip liner. And as I said, I have several. I am good with taking another backup because it's my absolute favorite. This is the Magic Star Concealer in yellow. I love his concealer. I've never used the yellow for color correcting, but I guess it's supposed to help take care of the dark circles under your eyes, and I'm very open to that concept, so we'll see about that. I got the Celebrity Skin in the Velvet Trap. It's that gorgeous nude shade. I'm going to try to show you before my battery runs out. Please don't run out, battery. I need you. Yikes. Try to get it out of there. See that color? It's gorgeous. I'm so excited to have that. I'll just put that aside for right now. I got Divine Intervention, 1985, Freak Show, Open Range, and Private Island. It's a mixture of ugly colors and some pretty shimmers. I got Peach Price Tag, which I'm so excited. I love this gloss. I'm very excited to have that. I got the Let Me Be Perfectly Clear gloss, and my daughter is taking that because she loves clear gloss. This is the exclusive lip, and I think I like the color. We'll just have to see when it's on, like maybe with a real pretty okay, so as I was saying, I really think that this it's like a brick red with some purple in it, I guess. I don't know, like, it's a very unique color, and so I think it would look good with a nude eye look, and so I think we should test this out. I would like to do a try-on of several of these products in my next video, and then we're going to do some Valentine's tutorials. I'm pretty excited about some of the ones that I have come up with. We're going to do a tutorial with the Natasha Denona Love Palette. Of course, one with Pink Religion. The next thing I got was the Velour Lip Scrub in Rainbow Sherbet. I love Rainbow Sherbet. I feel like I gave away Rainbow Sherbet last time, but I'm totally keeping it this time. Maybe. I don't know. Maybe this will... So, I have a feeling I'm going to be putting extras in people's boxes that I'm super late on getting their purchased products, or their giveaways. I just noticed how pretty the back is on this. How gorgeous is that? He needs to make phone cases next. I'm just saying. Make me a phone case and I'll be all about that. But he needs to make it in all kinds of phones because us broke bitches do not have the latest whatever. You know? We just don't. So, last but certainly not least, I got the Supreme Gloss in Improper. I kept seeing this on everybody's videos, and I was like, please let me get that version because I think this is so pretty. I actually kind of want to see the color. That is so pretty. So I'm going to do like a try on. We're going to try on some of these amazing lip colors. And we're going to, you know, chat and have some fun. So I will see you guys on the next episode. Don't forget to like this video and hit subscribe if you're here. Why not? Subscribe and see what we have coming up in the future. I love you guys. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.